Some things you see in the desert that are absolutely amazing. These guys are coming in for breakfast, I guess. We're not cooking though. They're everywhere. They're coming in and just over from our camp. They're setting down and deflating. Their chase vehicles are on the way in.
So this started up about 7 o'clock in the morning. We woke up and come out to this beautiful view. Just north of Phoenix, between the 301 and 74, there's a little place for camping. It's trust land, but it's really nice. And apparently it's a landing pad for balloons. They're all over. These guys are the Rainbow Riders, and at least that's what it says on the side of their balloons. I guess they do this, they take people out on these tours and whatnot, bring them in, and let them enjoy the day and whatnot. So that's just absolutely awesome to wake up to this. So it was so cool. And these guys, touching down, and they're letting their air out of their balloons. A couple of them got a little crazy. Now there's one coming up here. Not him. He was having a good old time just getting that thing on the ground. But look at him, way up there. And there were a lot of them. And they're just so beautiful to watch them. They just kind of float. It's really neat. But yeah, we enjoyed it. So we got a pretty good video of it, everything, some still pictures and whatnot. And there's one coming up here that has an extremely large basket on it. And you won't be able to see it in the pictures, but it has a sign that says happy birthday. So apparently it was somebody's birthday. But yeah, it's pretty good. We enjoyed watching them. So don't forget to give us a like, share the video. Go ahead and subscribe. There's more coming to our adventures out here. And stay tuned for more to come. Let me put some music on here so that you can enjoy it. Take care, and thank you much for watching.